What happened to Lion King? To Simba?
Daddy.
Ah.
Namin magyaan.
You don't have a daddy anymore. It's
Done.
dead. It's gone.
It's dead.
Yes.
Save daddy nun, Mami na.
No. Because her daddy saved Simba. That's why her daddy is gone. What? Yun! Oh, he's alive!
It's dead, oh.
It's not dead. He's just sleeping.
Sleeping?
Yes. Oh. Sabi ni Simba, Dad, wake up! Dad, wake up! Naku, Simba is crying.
Like me?
Yes.
Somebody! Anybody!
He's crying. No, Simba, don't cry. Yes. Are you sad?
Yes. Iyak na siya. May teddy siya.
Simba.
Okay na.
Wallabies tried to save me. It was an accident.
Don't cry na, ha?
Of course you didn't. No one ever means for these things to happen. But the king is dead.
King is
If
dead.
it weren't for you, you'd still be alive.
Her daddy is dead already. Kawawa naman si Simba.
What am I gonna do?
Run away, Simba.
Mommy, it's not dead.
Run away.
Yes.
Never return. Kill him.
No.
Naku.
Oh,
Oh my God.
Dad. My Dad.
Don't cry.